Welcome to my channel Amateur Radio Universe. Today in this video I am going to talk about the chord practice oscillator. We'll learn what is meant by a chord practice oscillator, its uses, the different parts and the construction details. A chord practice oscillator or CPO is an electronic device that helps to practice Morse code. It functions by producing an audio tone when the Morse key is pressed. It produces a tone that represents the dots and dashes of the Morse code depending on the length of time the key is pressed. Morse code uses a sequence of dots and dashes to represent a specific alphabet, number, punctuation, or procedural code. The chord practice oscillator is widely used by the amateur radio enthusiasts to learn Morse code. It provides a hands-on method for developing proficiency in sending Morse code. Amateur radio enthusiasts learn and practice Morse code before the actual transmission using a chord practice oscillator. Morse code or CW is a reliable mode of radio communication that helps you to communicate with distant lands using the Morse key, radio receiver, and transmitter. The important features of a chord practice oscillator are 1. Audio oscillator circuit, 2. Audio amplifier, 3. Audio output device, 4. Morse code key, 5. Power supply, 6. Volume and tone controls. The audio oscillator consists of an oscillator circuit that oscillates at the audio frequency range. Frequency of the oscillator is governed by its frequency determining components. The fixed resistor and capacitor determines the frequency of oscillation. A variable potentiometer is used to vary the frequency of oscillator to give a high or low pitched audio tone. The audio amplifier amplifies the weak audio signal from the output of the oscillator to increase in amplitude and strength. It raises the amplitude of the audio tone without any distortion and drives the output device. Audio output device is the speaker or the headphone, which converts the electrical signal from the output of the audio amplifier into sound. Morse key is a type of device that makes or breaks a contact using the keying knob as it is pushed down or away. When the Morse key is pressed, the chord practice oscillator gives an audio tone output to the speaker. Electrical contacts are made using the Morse key, which turns on the chord practice oscillator, producing short dit and long DAW sounds. 5. Power supply to the CPO is derived from a 9 volts battery or a 9 volts AC to DC converter or adapter. 6. The volume control is used to adjust the volume of the audio output. The tone control varies the tone or pitch of the audio signal. here the code practice oscillator, it is connected directly to the Morse key, and now it can be used as a Morse code practice oscillator. The output is connected to the speaker. This is a loudspeaker which is connected directly to the output of the audio amplifier. So the oscillator is switched on and off using this Morse keyer, and it can be switched on and off, producing dots and dots of a Morse code.